One of my favorite movies growing up was Back to the Future. Remember in the 90s when you used to be able to buy a PC in a box? I'm talking monitor, mouse, keyboard, and sometimes even a decent set of speakers. Well, my name ain't Doc Brown, and I don't have the 1.21 gigawatts to simulate the flux capacitor, but what we can do is build a PC in a box for under $1,300 in 2025. It's your parents' money! It's your parents! Let's go. It's your boy Biggie, aka Did B. Thanks for stopping by the channel. And even though I have everything laid out here nice and neat, I will not be unboxing the mouse, the keyboard, or the monitor because this build is actually going to be given to a 16-year-old 2K and Fortnite playing kid. But I do have a portable monitor, mouse and keyboard that I'll use for testing purposes. So stick around and see how this build turned out in the end. If you're interested in purchasing any of the things that I purchased off Amazon, I have Amazon links listed down below. I am an Amazon associate, which means I get a minor kickback from the sales, and this helps me to produce these videos that you may love. If you would, I would greatly appreciate it if you go through my links. Hey, you're gonna buy on Amazon anyway, why not go through those affiliate links? Other than ordering the items below from Amazon, what I did was went to Microcenter, got the mouse, RAM, and CPU combo, and you really come out cheap with snagging all three of those together. I'm talking like, I believe at the time, those things were like $310, $320. So yeah, we hit that one out of the park. And that monitor was a steal too. I believe it was like $125 for a 1440p monitor at 100 hertz, which hey, for a kid who plays Fortnite and NBA 2K, that is awesome. And speaking of playing games, he went with the RX 7700 XT, and that should give him way more than enough power for Fortnite, 2K, and really any other game he wants to play in 1440p. But enough talking, it's time to build.
Not yet. Still securing a couple inmates.
Man, it feels good seeing the guys who escaped last year going back to the raft.
Real good. The raft's an eyesore, but secure. As long as the octopus-related flaws have been fixed.
Let's hope. Okay, closing in on you. Should let Mom know I'll be late.
Miles, did you get the shopping list?
Hey, Mom. Yeah, but the bodega was out of coconut milk. Gonna check a store downtown.
Oh, thank you. But avoid Midtown. That prison convoy is making traffic a nightmare.
Oh, yeah. Good call. See you at dinner, Mom. Man, how does Pete do this secret identity thing? Completely stresses me out.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and oh yeah, ring that bell for future tech builds and gaming videos.
Yes, chef, when the sauce is flail, a YouTuber, still a YouTuber, still a vibe though through the darkest winter.